Don't you hate it when you find those delicious coffee beans and about a week or so later, they just don't taste right anymore? Can I get one cappuccino, thank you?
Here you go, man.
Cheers, cover. Oh, that tastes amazing. Do you sell those beans? Yeah, man, they're $100 a kilo. Can I take half a kilo of them, take away? Let me pack that up for you. Paper, good for the environment. Make sure you put it in an airtight container. Keep them fresh. There you go, man. Enjoy. Peace, man. Hey, boys. I found these awesome coffee beans from the hippie down the road. Let's give it a try. Oh, yeah, man. That's awesome beans. Oh, yeah, man. They're sick. They're sick beans. Good find.
1 week later.
Hey, can we have another one of those coffees from last week? Here you go, boys. What happened? What'd you do to it? Sorry, boys. Oh, poor. They've gone bad. Oh, he told me I should have put them in an airtight container. I didn't listen to that hippie. I got an idea. We've got this great little tool here, which will help you store your coffee beans and also herbs and dry goods. So all you gotta do is fill up your desired jars, regular or wide mouth, with your coffee beans. Get one of our vacuum sealer tools, pop your lid in there, sit it over your jar, press the button. You're gonna hear it pulling down. For a small jar like this, after about 10 to 15 seconds, the lid's on there, all the air's been sucked out, and they're gonna stay nice and fresh inside that jar. Even works with wide mouth. All you gotta do is unlock the first attachment, and it does both regular and wide mouth. It does take a bit longer for a bigger jar, 10 to 15 seconds, and nice and solid. And that's it. Awesome, simple way to keep your coffee beans fresh. Vacuum mason jar sealer on our website. Check it out. See you next time.